Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Craig. And again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company and the importance of a website with the right criteria. You need three key factors to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, every time you type something into Google right here, you understand that you type it in keywords. Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit your search criteria. This is how they generate a ranking system and a structure: search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for the right content and the relevant keywords: search engine optimization, SEO, and they categorize these websites based on their content. Of course, again, this is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So you need backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your business. You also need citations or referring domains. That is where your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you do not have a Google business profile, it is highly recommended you build one. It directly connects you, your business, to the citations and helps you rank in the maps. You want to be seen in the maps. Of course, you understand this is the map. So people type in fishing near me, restaurants near me. Your Google business profile and the citations that you have rank in this. Of course, you understand that this is the ads. These are the ad part. Everything underneath the map is where the organic rank starts to take place. This is an extension: destinations, locations. It's an advertisement in its own way. This is an extension for fish, wilmingtonbeaches.com. This is a website: Carolina Beach Fishing Charters. CarolinaBeachCharterFishing.com is his website. He is number 3. Attractions: TripAdvisor. No, this is his website: CarolinaBeachCharter.com. Fitchwish, that's his. Things to do: Carolina Beach Realty, things to do. So you need to understand that these two are ranking here organically, not because they are in an attachment or an ad base. So, of course, charter, fishing, Carolina Beach. You want to be on the first page. So I wanted to look at this guy you were talking about, Southern Sport Fishing, Carolina Beach. Notice that he was not on the first page. So let me explain to you how I can see what's going on. So I have a tool, it's called Ahrefs, and it shows me the inside or what's going on behind the scenes of somebody's website and how they rank. Now, like I said, backlinks are web links from another site linking back to you. It's like an endorsement. Not all backlinks are created equal. You need to remember that. You want a strong domain rank and you want to see some traffic. So, for example, this particular link, Yellow Pages, is getting 10 million views of traffic a month. This one, not so much. Not so much. Not very strong. Not all of them are created equal. For example, you wouldn't want a ice cream shop referring back to your fishing charter because they don't carry as much weight or strength behind them as another charter or fishing company, or something relative to fishing has to do with you fishing. So you keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. On top of that, you want keywords. Now, out of these 95 backlinks, he has 50 links directly connected to them. Also, keywords, SEO, what you're typing into Google. Out of these 68 keywords, this will show you the volume per month that these keywords get. So 50 times a month, somebody's typing into Google, Carolina Beach Fishing Charters, Carolina Beach Fishing, 350 times. This becomes your exposure rate. How many times people type in these keywords that are related to your website that exposes your website this many times per month. With that being said, out of the 68 keywords that he's using, he's getting 11 views a month. He's not on the first page of Google. The top 11 views that he's getting are these right here: 50, 60, 450, Holden Beach Fishing Charters. So this is giving you an idea of how SEO works, content, search engine optimization. 68 keywords, 11 views a month, and he is not on the first page of Google. So let's take a look at who is on the first page of Google. Carolina Beach Charter Fishing. Carolina Beach Charter Fishing. I plugged them into the same tool. We can take a look at where they're at. 225 backlinks, 25 domains. They have 76 keywords and they're getting 32 views per month. Let's take a look at what's hot for them. What's bringing them in. 350 right here again. Carolina Beach Fishing, Carolina Beach Pictures, Caleb Charters, Carolina Beach Municipal Docks, Sport Fishing. So you can see that's that. His keywords, ones that are bringing in the amount of volume, are here. Deep sea fishing, Wilmington, North Carolina. Look at this, North Carolina deep sea fishing, 1,000 times a month that's getting viewed. So when you have the right keywords and the right content, you will get yourself on the first page of Google. Now, I wanted to show you something on an ad. I wanted you to understand ad. So this guy right here, Captain's Experience, it's an ad. Here is Captain's Experience. Let me show you how an ad works. Now, of course, he's paying to be there because it's a cost. He's advertising. These are all the locations that his services are offered. So understand that this is either a chain or a franchise. So to get an idea of what that man does to stay right there on that page, he has 16,000 backlinks, 1,000 referring domains, 37,000 keywords, and that's generating him 68,000 views a month just because he's right there at the top on the ad. Now his traffic per month on his ads is $54,000. But understand, on that ad, every time you click it, it's called pay per click, or it used to be cost per click. It costs $66 every time you click that link. Every time you click this, it costs that man $66 to be here spending on ads. So just to put this into perspective for you, $66 times 68,000 views a month. That man is spending $4,488,000 on advertising to be there, but he's only making $54,000 a month on it. Think about that. Think about that. So this guy down here isn't spending any money on advertising. He's not spending $4 million on advertising. He's on the first page of Google because his content and his keywords and his SEO is correct. So once your content, backlinks, citations, once all this comes together and you start to outrank your competition, you will quickly see the value your business now has and the increased traffic that's going to get from the exposure and the views. And hopefully you can appreciate the importance of a well-built website and what that can do for you. You want to move fast, you want to make money, you want to be seen. Content SEO is the way to go. Instead of spending a lot of money on advertising, that could be costly. Now you can advertise, I'm not saying that you can't, but I just wanted to give you a little insight as to what that is and how that works. Citations, backlinks, yeah. And Google needs to build trust and understand that you are a reliable and a resourceful website entity. That's how you get to the first page of Google. People just don't get there because they built a website. Without the right content and backlinks and citations, you're in the middle of nowhere. It's like a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see you. So you need to be realistic about what you want to do and what kind of goals that you have for yourself. So with that being said, I hope that you get a better understanding of this. You want to find out exactly what realistic goals are for you and your business. We'd love to help you out. I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch the video and have a great day.